Today we'll be going over magazine retention options and magazine fitment for the Quiver placard. Now right off the bat, I'm going to dispel any 308/762 by 51 fitment questions. You can, in a pinch, run them. They will fit in the pouch, technically. I'll show you a few caveats to that. But in the future, we will be coming out with a large mag version of this placard for SR25, all 308, Saiga. I don't know, I can't think of anything else right now, but that will be coming out in the future. So if you're looking to run that specifically, maybe wait for that placard to come out. But in a pinch, you can run 3 SR25 mags in this. I'll show you that first and kind of how it comes out. So fits in with ease, but then once you get them next to each other, it gets a little tight. And then here, I'll even put it in one Kydex insert. And as you can see, you end up with a pretty significant bow. That if you're running on like a flat plate carrier, that might be a problem. But as a chest rig, it'll conform decently. But you can definitely run it this way in a pinch. But it's not perfect. So that's 762 by 51. As far as flaps go, you can run Spirited Systems Pangolin flaps or our flaps, which is just a slightly narrower and scrimless version of their flap. And you can also run Kydex inserts. The inserts we like to use and what we recommend you get, we might even carry them in our store soon enough, are the S-Tac Kiwi 762 tall magazines. Or inserts, magazine inserts. Kydex inserts. And they're very easy to insert. Just sticker on in, push it down, and it's in there. So we'll go over various mags in the Kydex first. Let's grab the most common, the Magpul 556. Very easy to insert, plenty of room, not too much, and plenty of retention. And then Metal 556. Very similar, probably the thinnest mag you'll run in here. Still, plenty of retention on it. Next, we'll do a Bakelite, which is going to fit very similar to a Bulgarian polymer and various other thinner, slick-sided AK-47 762 by 39 magazines. I don't have any 545 mags on hand, but it's gonna be, you know, similar to this. But retention is great. This is one of our favorite retention options for AK-47 mags. Then the Chonky X-Tac 762 by 39 magazine. This is probably about the thickest mag you'll be running in our placard. Great, probably the best retention, obviously, with the Kydex. And I think that's it for Kydex. Now we'll move over to the flaps. It's not much to see here, really. 556 mag's gonna fit great. Easy. For those who might be wondering, can you fit 2 5.56 mags? No, you cannot. You can't. Almost, but not an option. We'll throw, if you're trying to run AK mags with a flap, got to pull the flap out quite a bit, and then show you there. It's not our favorite, but it will work if you really want to run flaps with your 7.62 by 39. You can do it. And then in a flap, 7.62, I think I just showed you this, but I'll show you again, by 51. Good fitment there. That's our favorite when we are running. And we have ran many drills with 7.62 by 51 with little issue. But flaps has definitely been our favorite. All right, I think that's it for these. We'll move over to bungee pull tab. I have these set for the various different heights. We'll start with 7.62 by 51. Since it's so short, you do have to use 2 hands to get it in, but it works. It works similarly to the flaps, and you have a little more room inside the pouch without the flap being in there, so that's nice. But it is more of a 2-handed operation with 308 mags. 5.56 in the middle here. We enjoy running pull tabs for 5.56. Works the same as most other options on the market. It is an option. And then we'll run the Chonky X-Tac. I think a lot of people use these. Not my favorite, but get it on there. And you can, of course, run it like that, or with the corner, with the pull tab splaying over the corner like that. And that works fine. And we'll do a Bakelite if you care. Works fine as well. All right. Hit me up in the comments or DMs on Instagram, wherever, if you have any specific questions I didn't answer or any suggestions for content to make in the future. Thanks a lot.